Did you exercise much on your trip?
Yeah.
Okay.
Biceps.
That one
Got
arm.
a lot of exercise.
Okay, well, you might not be the best candidate for parkour.
Probably not.
Probably not, which is using your body to overcome obstacles.
That's right. Now take a look at the obstacle course in our studio right now.
Look at these little guys. Wow, I am so impressed by what's happening. Hey, come on in here. Come over here.
Shinobi.
A big welcome to... Whoa!
Oh, and yeah, he is a ninja. Great to see you, Shinobi.
So cool to have you here. I love this.
And what are the ages of these really athletic, fun kids behind us?
Our youngest is 4. Most of our students are anywhere from ages 4 to 14.
How did you get involved in all this?
So I got involved with this because before I did this, I had started teaching martial arts. And that really, through tricking and tumbling, was kind of a pathway to parkour. It was still brand new at the time. So it's become a lot more mainstream now. And it's a really great way through functional body movement to help kids work out and have fun.
It's like organized play, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, to an extent, yeah. People have been doing parkour for a long time. They just don't realize that at one point somebody said, hey, get off that table. That's probably not safe.
Right.
But there's a whole bunch of safe applications and techniques that people can use that will also kind of help them take back their bodies. Because parkour was actually developed by a firefighter.
Isn't that great?
Yeah.
And you've also competed on American Ninja Warrior?
Yeah, I did 3 seasons of American Ninja Warrior.
Wow, good for
And
you.
how did you do?
It was a lot of fun. It was a great experience. I made a lot of good connections, and it really showed me like what I need to do with my training, and I apply a lot of that to what we do in the school.
And in fact, what some of these kids are doing right now, the walls they're climbing, it's a lot like what you've done, only smaller scale, obviously.
Well, this is actually one of the steps we have at our school. It's one of our full-scale quintuple steps, because we try to help prepare people for the show.
That's fantastic.
So I'm noticing there aren't any young girls doing this. Do you have some female students?
We do. My daughter was actually going to be here this morning. She wasn't feeling too well.
Okay,
So
all right.
letting her sleep it off today.
So
this
it's
is so
equal
great.
opportunity, right?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Talk about perfect, though, for young boys that have a lot of energy. Although the parents out there might be going, but it looks dangerous. Is it?
So just like any other sport, I mean, when you think about the sport of football, right? When you grab that ball, you literally know people are going to tackle you.
Right.
With this sport, the way it works is if you are applying the techniques correctly and safely and knowing your limits, it's just as dangerous as any other sport.
Right. Maybe
I mean,
less so. You don't have somebody coming at you with a helmet trying to take
I mean,
you
when
out.
you think about it, we were all kids, little kids, and we started walking, you fell down, you didn't say, you know, this walking thing isn't for me.
Right.
right,
You
right.
just get back up and you keep trying.
Hey,
This is true.
Shinobi, so what are the benefits if parents are interested in putting their boys or girls in something like this? What are the benefits to it?
So the benefits of this is confidence. Being able to unlock and understand your body, functional body movement, athleticism,
Every time
right?
I see somebody flip through the air, my heart skips a beat. I think it's great, but I shouldn't be so paranoid.
I love that to them, they don't know any better.
Yeah, of course.
This is normal now.
It
no
is confident. Actually, I say this now, but I would have loved this as a kid. In fact, I think I'd kind of love this now as an
Yeah,
adult.
no kidding.
Are adults coming and trying this?
Yeah, our oldest student is 68.
Oh, excellent. So there's still hope for us.
I qualify!
Yes, you do.
So you were talking about the benefits. We interrupted. Sorry.
So benefits really, it's just helping you unlock your body. I mean, the kind of way I equate it to these kids, you're your own video game character. You want to level up. You want to get better and stronger. And they're doing that through all this type of movement.
Right,
Yeah.
and I like the fact that, because we've all seen the videos of the kids jumping off of roofs and things like that. I mean, this is in a controlled environment. You know they're going to be relatively safe.
Yeah, what's great about that is there's actually 2 aspects to this whole parkour thing. There's
Yeah.
parkour and there's free running.
Okay.
A lot of times what people see in videos and like the flips and things like
Yeah.
that, that's more like free running. The world is your playground. What we teach in our school is parkour. Learning how to overcome obstacles in your environment and developing your body to overcome obstacles in your
Do you
environment.
know what I love, I absolutely love about this, is none of these kids have a chance to get on a phone.
Isn't it great to see?
Nobody's texting their friends.
They're playing. Isn't
Yeah,
that just...
they're playing.
What an odd concept that is. So nice to see. Thank you, Shinobi.
Great
Thank you.
job, Shinobi. And for more information,
Yeah, you can go to shinobischool.com. We have
Okay.
a Facebook. You can go to facebook.com/ShinobiSchoolTampa.
Cool.
We have a bunch of events coming up. We actually
Great.
do like traveling stunt and aerial performances
And
as well.
you're part of MetroCon at the convention center.
yeah,
right?
in fact, you guys are heading over there today.
That's
Yeah, we're
right.
going to be performing at MetroCon. We have a traveling stunt show that also incorporates
Great.
aerials like you see in Cirque du Soleil.
Cool.
Fantastic.
Thank you
All right.
very much.
And we'll put all that info on our website, daytimeonline.tv.
I want to get my sneaks on.
Yeah, there you
We'll be
go.
right back. Don't go away.
I'm going to do it. Look out, kids. Here we go.
Me too.